Hi, my name is Surya Komal and I am from Hyderabad. After my bachelor's in computer science and engineering with the data science specialization in the Institute St. Mary's Engineering College, and I've joined Jspiders in October 2024. I've took the course here of Java full stack, and coming to the web technologies, it was taken care with the help of Reshma ma'am as well as Geeta ma'am, and Java was taught from initially with the Manjunath sir and later Pawan sir, and programming was also cleared by Pawan sir. Advanced Java was taken care with the help of Usual sir. And during my initial days here, I've learned like basic knowledge like what to actually like how to code, and hands-on experience on how to code and professional practices. So and coming to the grooming, I've got like basic idea like what to actually say in front of viewers when we get nervous and all. And I've also given few mocks. In the mocks, I've also gained some self-confidence. Like if we forget something, like what to say in that situations technically.